Hello, hello, hello. Today, out of the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook, I had to search for some pasta and we came across chicken cacciatore. So I nerd for some chicken too. But anyway, we're going to try that. Most of it's done in the pan and then it simmers. So we're going to do that in this cold weather we're having right now. We're going to mix some linguine with it also, and yeah, place it on top and enjoy a good dinner. So stay with me, and we'll be back at the stove. Okay, we're back. We have our skillet pan, whatever we like to call it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons, guesstimate, olive oil. We're going to let that heat for a second. And we have some sliced chicken breast, which we'll add in just a second. Let's get that heat going on that pan. As you can see, get that olive oil everywhere. Okay, we'll get that going. I've got 3 chicken breasts sliced up already. I did. And we got 1, 2, 3. We'll go 3 at a time because we have to pull it out of this once they're cooked on each side. Put the heat up a little bit. We got to take them out and reuse the leftovers, I guess, to add all our other ingredients, and then put the chicken back in. Kind of like on the previous video I did with Salisbury steak. I pulled it out, put it back in after. In the meantime, I'm going to put this over here while they simmer. 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. I guess use a whisk to put that all together. This will be your topping over your chicken to simmer in. 1 teaspoon sugar. Put some chicken. Yeah. Turn the heat down a bit. Another one. I got room for one more. Oh, pretty good. We have a half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to take the first 3 out and plate them here. They'll cook in the sauce. Okay, mix in the thyme. Quarter teaspoon oregano. Let's cut some rosemary up here. This is fresh rosemary. It says crushed, so I guess you can use the rosemary powder also. I didn't have that, and I bought this instead. So, rosemary. Ooh, that changes the smell of the room. Pepper. As I've said before, you guys know I like pepper. Do it to your taste. Dry white wine, 3/4 of a cup. You add this to your tomatoes. Well, it loosens everything up a little bit, more of a sauce. Anyway, we got a bit of oil still left in there. We got chicken renderings. We're going to add onion. It's a small, medium onion, sliced. Okay. 1 clove, garlic. Yeah. I'm going to add 2. What the heck? Brown those up. That sucked up most of the oil, which is fine. 1.5 cups mushrooms. They were pretty big mushrooms, so I just chopped them. Just cut them in half or in 3s, depending on what size of mushroom you have. Or you can leave them big. Whatever you like. I'm just going to add a touch of oil. Just to get it so the chicken doesn't stick. Okay. We're going to put our chicken back in. Ooh. Get some grease back. Cook that for a few minutes. Now we take our mixture and we pour this over top. Bring this to a boil. Once we bring this to a boil, we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to turn this down to medium low. And we'll let that cover it and let it simmer. Cover. Okay. And until I get a pasta maker, we're using pre-made store-bought linguine. Okay, guys, 35 minutes. We're back. We're going to turn off this linguine. You can see that simmering pretty good. I'm going to just take that. Well, I'll leave it on the heat until we get the pasta out. I got a few dishes to put in the dishwasher. Okay. Just going to give it a quick rinse. Back in the bowl. Pull this over here so you guys can see. I got to learn. I'm just going to do it this way today. When I was in Italy, everything's so presentable. They do the twist of the pasta. I'll have to look up how to do that. But today, I'm just going to make a little bed for that. Okay, we'll bring the sauce over. Oops, that could have been ugly. Smells delicious. Get a little spoon and get the chicken out. Put that over top. A little sauce. Oh, I wish I had some parm. Well, I do. I used all my real parm up on my mac and cheese. I'm just using, whoop. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of fake parm on. There we go. Chicken cacciatore. Give this camera a little move so you can see. I'm going to aim it properly this week so you can actually see me eat it. I think I'm going to need a paper towel. Bear with me, guys. I got to figure out these angles still. Working on it. So, we'll cut a piece of chicken here. It smells delicious. We'll get a bit of linguine and sauce. Okay, bit of chicken. That's really good. A little hot. My nose started running. That's delicious. Now, when I've had it in restaurants, they've had peppers in it. I had that option, but I chose not to. I think I prefer the peppers in them, but it's still really good. Peppers give it a little, just sweet peppers, give it a little more zest, we'll call it. A little more linguine. That's really good. Sorry for my nose. Wow. That was delicious. I can't wait to finish it. Very simple. I would, there was lots of, you can get a bit of the rosemary. I think I'm going to add a bit of more pepper to it. But yeah, it's delicious. I would add the peppers next time. And it also says you can throw parsley on top and everything. I didn't have any parsley. Chicken cacciatore. Hope you enjoyed it. Whatever happens, we're eating it. I haven't struck out yet and hated anything. Join me next week, and we're going to do an amazing cake from the Great British Baking Show. So if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, hit your post notification bell, and I'll see you all next week. Take care.